Okay, so let's discuss creating a service labor line item for a quote or a contract. Right now we're looking at a quote. We've already got a material line. We'll go ahead and add a service labor line item. Click here on the service labor button. That opens up a new service labor line. Just like material products, if you would like to, you can create a labor rate list. That allows you to select from that list to pull in the information. If you don't want to keep a labor rate list, or if what you're trying to enter is not in that list, you can fill that information out manually here. On the left-hand side, you have the item name, which is your main description, the QuickBooks item name, which is the item in QuickBooks that this is going to link to, area location, put in living and dining or wherever that is that this installation is taking place, any additional notes. And if I want this to say something different for the customer, for the sales side of it, I can actually type that in here. So we can say maybe installation of carpet in main areas, something along those lines. The purchase description and the work order description shows here. So when this goes onto a work order, it's going to say install carpet at whatever quantity we enter, which say 100 of it. It brings in my unit cost from the product, but again, I can override this if I need to. Unit price, same thing. Put in $1.90 here. You can notice it's calculating my profit and my margin. I don't like that profit, so I'm going to back that out. I'm going to tell it I want a 30% here. I'm going to go recalculate my pricing to match that. And also switch that over to markup, and I'll calculate it on the markup. Or I can, again, just come in here and override. Once I've got that settled, I can decide whether I want this to show for the customer or not. Click Save and Close. You can actually see it's already back there on the job and updates my totals.